Hello, welcome to the class PM. Today we're discussing about the partnership. Do you think partnership is a separate topic? No, it's not a separate topic. It is under the ratio and proportions concept. Because partnership is solved by the basic concepts of ratio and proportions. Without knowing ratio and proportion, share by total or total from the total, how A will get how many parts as a share. Without knowing all these things, you can't solve the partnership questions. Okay? What is a partnership? According to the definition, partnership means association of two or more persons who contribute resources like money together in order to carry a business. Okay? The persons, two or more than two persons are together investing some amount in this business. Okay? That is called partnership. The person who is investing the amount, they are called as partners. Okay? Types of partnerships, because according to the time investment and time, partnerships are divided into two types. One is simple partnership. Simple partnership means partners invested money for the same time period. For example, I and my friend both started a business. I invested 1 lakh rupees and my friend invested 1 lakh rupees. After 1 year, we are sharing the profit. Okay, means we are staying together throughout the year. Okay, then it is called simple partnership. What is compound partnership? In the same example, I am investing 1 lakh rupees and my friend investing 1 lakh rupees. After 6 months, I left from the business and my friend continued in the business. After 1 year, we get a profit. Then I will get share from the profit. But I will get less share because I am there only for 6 months only. My investment is there only for 6 months. Okay. In this type of business, because different time periods, okay, because partnerships are in the business with the different time periods, comes under compound partnerships. Next, what are the types of partners? Okay, one is sleeping partner, second one is the working partner. Okay, who is called as a sleeping partner? Just investing the money and waiting for the profits, is not working for the company, just investing the money. For everything he is investing money, but he has never worked for the company. He is called sleeping partner. Then who is a working partner? Okay, he is investing money. At the same time, he is working for the company as an employee. Then he is called a working partner. Okay, the difference between sleeping partner and working partner is according from the profits. When the time of sharing the profits, working partner will get salary and share in the profit, but the sleeping partner will only get share in the profit because he is not working for the country, just investing the money. That's why he is getting only share in the profit. But working partner will get salary and share in the profit. Okay, let us discuss some basic concepts of the partnership. Partnership depends upon two factors. One is investment and the second one is time period. Okay, time period. Based upon these 2 points only, parameters only, partnership will work. Okay, partnership. In the partnership, after 1 year or after 2 years, end of the business, they will get a profit. Obviously, profit or loss, it is divided between the partners. Okay, if profit got, the partners will take their amounts according to their investment and time periods. If they will got loss, then they will share the loss also. Okay, so how the profit they will share? Okay, profit is shared on the basis of investment into time. Okay, investment into time. Okay, the person who is investing is a partner 1, is partner 2. Okay, at the end of the year, the profit is divided among these two partners on the basis of their investment into time. Okay, the first person gets their investment into time, second partner will also get based upon his investment into time. So, in what ratio they will get means based upon their investment into time multiplication, we are taking the ratio of them. Okay, let us assume I am investing 40,000. Okay, in the business. My friend investing 50,000 in the business. So we both stayed for 1 year. Okay, after 1 year we got 1 lakh rupee as a profit. Then in what ratio we are sharing the profit? Okay, according to amount we can say, but in what ratio? So to say which person will get how much amount, it is based upon the ratio only. So to know their profits or their shares from the profit, first we have to know the in what ratio we have to share it. Okay, the ratio is find from their investment into time period. Okay, both time periods are same, so I am cancelling this. Okay, 4:5. Okay, so we are sharing this profit in 4:5 ratio. Okay, 4:5 ratio. So according to this, I am getting 4 parts out of 9 parts, and another person gets 5 parts out of 9 parts. Okay, from this 1 lakh I am getting 4 parts. So 9 parts is equal to 1 lakh. Then how much 4 parts and how much 5 parts? We have to find out this. Like this, we have to find the profits or shares from the profit. Okay, let us see some of the examples. Type 1 question. It's a simple question. In this, they will give the investments. A will invest 38,000, B invest 40,000, C invests 42,000. Already they are invested. Okay. After 1 year, they got a profit 24,000. Okay. So, these 3 persons have to share this profit according to their investment and time period. Okay. Find the share of A, B, C in this 24,000. Okay. On the basis of ratios only, we can find which person will get how much. Okay. So first point, we have to find the ratio. Okay. A invested 38,000 rupees, B invested 40,000 rupees, and C invested 42,000 rupees. Here, the person who is framed this question will not mention any time period. So let us consider everyone is stayed for throughout the year. Okay. This is the investment, this is the time period. So time period is same. So we are finding the ratio. That's why I am cancelling. Okay. 12, 12, 12. Every time period is cancelled. Then zeros. So 38 is to 40 is to 42. If there is any chance to convert into simple form, please try to make it. 2 19s, to 20, to 21. Okay. So the persons A, B, C can share the profit in 19 is to 20 is to 21 ratio. Okay. So which person will get how much? What is the total number of parts? 19, 20, 21. It is 60 parts. Okay. According to our assumption, it is 60 parts. But according to the given data, this 60 parts is equal to 24,000 rupees. In this way, 19 parts. If 60 parts equal to 24,000, what is 19 parts? It is A share, B share, 20 parts, and C share, 21 parts. Okay. If 60 parts equal to 24,000, what is 19 parts, what is 20 parts, and what is 21 parts? So, directly you can say the answer if you know the multiplication factor. How 60 becomes 24,000? By multiplying with 400. Okay. By multiplying with 400, then it 60 becomes 24,000. In this way, it is a ratio. So, you have to follow the same thing. 400 into 400. So 19 fours are 76, 24s are 88,000, and 21 fours are 84. So these are the shares of the A, B, C from the profit. Okay. If you don't know the multiplication factor, how to find? Very simple. So A share is 19 parts out of 60 parts. But you are converting it with an amount. So compare with that amount. So 6 1 ja 6 400, 19 4 ja 7,600 rupees. In this way, B share 20 by 60 into 24,000 rupees. Okay, 3 ja 3, 8,000. In this way, C share. It is a basic question. They will give the investment, they will give the profit. We have to find the each person's share. So the share is depends upon the ratio. So first find out the ratio from their investment into time period. Okay, let's move to the next question. Next one, type B. In this question, he given the ratios, he given the amounts, investments, and he given the profit, and is asking for the difference between the shares of the two persons. Okay, let's see the question. A invested 18,000, B invested 28,000, C invested 64,000. Okay, they got 1,87,000 rupees as a profit. Find the difference between shares of A and B. So, for this we have to find the share of A, share of B, share of the C. Then after we have to find the difference between the shares of A and B, A and C and B and C. So the process is same. First know at what ratio they will share the profit. So investment into time period 18,000. So he is not mentioning any time, means they are straight for the whole year. 28,000, 64,000 into 12 into 12. So time period is same. So you don't need to mention the time period if it is the same. Okay. So 18 is to 28 is to 64. Try to make it a very simplest form. 9 is to 14 is to 32. Okay. Then in this ABC will share the profit of 1,87,000 rupees. Okay. Now find the individual shares. Okay. A share out of 9 parts. Out of how many parts is there? 32 plus 14, 46. 46 plus 9, 55 parts. Out of 55 parts, A share is 9 parts. And converting it into the amount, 11 5s are, 11 1s are, 11 7s are. So 5 3s are, then 5 4s are, 3,400 rupees. So A share is 9 into 3 4. It is 30,600 rupees. Okay. If you are well with the multiplication factors directly, please find 55 parts is equal to 1,87,000. Then what is 9 parts? If you know the multiplication factor, 3,400 rupees. Then 3,400 rupees, 30,600 rupees. Okay. In this way you will find B share. It is 14 parts. What is 14 parts and what is 64 parts. Okay. In this way you can find each one's share in the profit, and you have to take the difference between their profits, because he is asking about difference between the shares of A and B, A and C and B and C. Okay. Try to solve this. Moving to the next question. So first find the question. Let's see some of the problems or concept. Concept. What is? If everyone is staying throughout the year, if a person P, Q, R, 3 persons are investing some X, Y, Z amount, but he is staying for only 6 months, he is staying for 12 months, he is staying for 8 months, then they got some 1 lakh rupee or something as a profit. In what ratio they will share the profit? Okay. For the ratios, okay, investment into time period, investment into time period. So in this way, consider for the total time period is mentioned. Okay, 6 months, 12 months, 8 months. Okay. Some more problems. Okay. Some more problems means after 6 months, P invested more amount, X plus something, for the rest of 6 months. Okay. And Q withdraws some amount from Y minus some amount. Okay. And R also withdraw something from. In this type of questions we have to solve in the examination. So the basic questions will not ask in the examination. Always is asked about leaving, joining, entering. Okay. This type of questions. Let's see this type of questions. Okay. 3 persons ABC shared their profit in the ratio 3:4:5. Here he is only mentioning the ratio of the ratios, what ratio they are sharing their profits. Okay. If C received 2,800 rupees more than A, find share of B. Here we don't have the investment, we don't know the time period. So let us assume complete they are staying for throughout the year. Okay. But we don't know the total investment, we don't know the total profit. But we have only C is getting 2,800 rupees more than A. Then find the share of B. Okay. If we know the total share, then we can find 4 parts out of 12 parts and with multiplying with that profit. But here we don't know the total profit. How we have to solve this? From the basic logics we can solve this. Okay. The difference between the shares or parts. So total we are considering it as a 12 parts. So from the 12 parts, A gets 3 parts, B gets 4 parts, C gets 5 parts. Okay. From this 12 parts, A gets 3 parts, C gets 5 parts. What is the difference between A and C in terms of parts? Difference is 2 parts. but according to the problem, the difference is 2800. Okay. If 2 parts is 2800 rupees, we want share of the B. B gets 4 parts. Okay. If 2 parts is 2800 rupees, what is the actual value of the 4 parts? Because it's a ratio, it's not value. 4 parts equal to 5600 rupees. Is it right? Yes, 5600 rupees. What is the total profit if we ask for total profit? Okay. If 2 parts is equal to 2800 rupees, what is the total? 12 parts. 12 parts equal to how much? Into 1400 rupees. So, what is 12 14s? 168. Okay. So, it is 16,800 is the total profit. And A share, if you ask for A share, B share, C share, then we can find. Next question. 3 persons A, B, C shared profit in the ratio of 12:15:20. If share of B is 1,20,000, find the total profit. See here asking for total profit. Okay. So what is the share? 12:15:20. If share of B is 1,20,000, okay, directly he is giving the share of B. Simply we can solve this. How many parts B getting? 15 parts. Out of 15 plus 20, 35, 35 plus 12, 47. Okay. Out of 47 parts, B getting 15 parts. But according to the given data, B is getting 1,20,000 as a share. Okay. If 15 parts equal to 1,20,000, what is 47 parts? Okay. 15 becomes 120 when you multiply with 8. So 8,000. So 47 into 8,000. How much 47 into 8,000? If you are not perfect with the multiplication, please try to do like this. 40 into 8, it is 320 rupees. Then remaining 7 into 8, it is 56. Add this 376. So 3,76,000 rupees. Okay, 3,76,000 rupees. It is the total profit. Within 2 steps, we are getting the answer. So don't assume any value as the total profit and don't take any X and Y in the partnership questions. So partnership question is basically depends upon the ratios only. If you are perfect in the ratios, how to solve, how to convert ratio into share by total, or if you are well thorough with the ratios, converting ratios into, then it is very simple to solve this type of questions. Okay. See here we are using only 2 steps to solve. If 15 parts equal to 1,20,000, what is our total parts? Then that is our overall total profit. Okay. Then from here we can find what is 12 parts, what is 20 parts. Very simple. Okay. Let's move to the next question. Type 5. Here A invested 32,000 rupees, B invested 51,000 rupees, C invested 27,000 rupees. Total profit is 1,24,800 rupees. But here the time periods are different. A invested 32,000 rupees for only 4 months. B invested only for 3 months. C invested only for 5 months. Find the share of B. Now here we will get one doubt. The total profit is, they are calculating profit after 5 months or 3 months or 4 months. When they will calculate? Profit is always calculated after 1 year only. If he is not mentioning the time period, take it as a 1 year. Okay. Otherwise, the person who is framing this question will mention it is the profit is calculated on half yearly or yearly or 2 yearly. They will mention. If he is not mentioned, please take it as a 1 year. Okay. Let's consider A, B, C. Okay. First find out the ratio. In what ratio they are sharing. Okay. Investment into time period. Investment into time period. Okay. Ratios we are finding. Okay. 0, 0, zeros. 32 4s are 128. 51 3s are 153. 27 5s are, it is 135. Okay. In this ratio they are sharing the profit. Okay. Here time period is different. That's why they are getting different values. Okay. Then what is the total parts? There is any chance to simplify this? Let's check. Because it is ending with 5, it is ending with 3, it is ending with 8. So different tables. So this is the final. So what is the total parts? 120, 150, 270, 130. It is 400. 400 plus 8, 3, 16. 8, 5 plus 3, 16. Total part is 416 parts. So if 416 parts is equal to 1,24,000, we want only share of B. What is 153 parts? Okay. So what is the multiplication factor? 153 into 1,24,800 rupees by 416. If 416 is able to cancel 1,24,800, then solve it. Okay. Let's take from the 208 to 6 to 400. Next 104 3 1 2 0. Next 52 1 5 600. Okay. 26 2 7 800. Okay. 2 13s 2 3 900. Okay. 13 ones are 13 threes are. Okay. Now 153 into 300. If you are not thorough with the cancellation divisibility rules, you will take this much of time. I done this for only to show the how much time you are wasting when you are calculating. So please thorough with the multiplication and division rules. Okay. If it is 416 and 8 both are even numbers, it is directly divisible by 400 and it is 1248. Leave these zeros. 12 means the multiple of 400. 400 3s are 1200. 16 3s are 48. Directly you can say 416 3s are 1248. Then add these two zeros. Okay. It is very simple. So 153 into 300. What is 153 into 3? It is 153 is a 450. 3 3s are 9. 4 5 9 00. It is the B share. Okay. It is a share of the B from the total profit. Let's move to the next question. Here type 6. So we are going depth on solving the question. And these are the previous essay, prelims and mains questions. I changed the data because if you feel same question, if the data is changed, then you will try to solve and you are getting a new answer. Raj started a business with a capital of 16,000 rupees. Okay. Raj is started a business with a capital of 16,000 rupees. After 2 months, Sam joined with him with a capital of 20,000 rupees. Okay. After 2 months, he liked the Raj business and invested 20,000. At the end of the year, they got 4,900 as a profit. Find the share of Raj and Shyam. Same investment into time is the profit value. So here is the Raj, here is the Sam. Okay. He invested 16,000 rupees. He invested 20,000 rupees. So profit is calculated of the 1 year. Okay. After 1 year. So after 2 months he joined. So Raj started the business and he is throughout the year. Okay. After 2 months he joined. So how many months Sam stay here? Only 10 months. Because after 2 months from the start of the business, from the day of start business, Sam joined. Okay. So he is staying for 12 months, he stay for 10 months. So the ratios, where in what ratio they are sharing the profit. Okay. Zeros. Okay. 16 12s, how much? 192. 20 200. If you can simplify it. Okay. 4. It is cancelled with the 4. 4 4s are 16, 4 8s are 32. 4 50s are again 2. 2 24s are 2 25s are. So Raj and Sam both will share the profit with 24:25 ratio. So what is the total parts? 49 parts. Okay. 24 plus 25. Total 49 parts. In this, Raj will get 24 parts and Sam will get 25 parts. But Raj stayed here for the throughout year, but he is getting less parts. Why? Because his investment is less compared to Sam. Sam stayed for less time, but his investment is more. That's why he is getting 25 parts. 49 parts is equal to 4,900 rupees. So, how much 24 parts? What is the value of 25 parts? How 49 is becoming 4,900? By multiplying with 100. Same do this. 100. 2,400, 2,500. This is the share of Raj and Sam. Okay. Basic parameters or investment into time. Okay, if the investment is 10 months, then multiply with 10 months only. Okay, don't do for 12 months. They are staying for the end of the year, but they are staying up to the end of the year, but at what time they are entered? 2 months after. So consider from that and count the remaining months only. Okay, next, type 7. P and Q entered into a partnership with 15,000, 25,000 respectively. After 4 months, P put 5,000 more. Find the share of P and Q in the annual profit of 26,000. Okay, here P and Q investment time period, okay, 15,000, 25,000. Okay, they are staying for the whole year, but after 4 months, in the 5th month, P invested 5,000 more. So first calculate for the first 4 months. 4 into 4. Okay. So what is 60 is to 100? Okay. After 4 months, from 5th month onwards, investment of P changed. From 5th month onwards, investment of P changed. What is that? 20,000. Because he invested 5,000 more. So 50,000 is continuing every month. So on the 5th month onwards, he is investing 5,000 more. See, from 5th month onwards, 20,000. But Q is not investing anything. So he is 25,000 only. So remaining 8 months, he invested 20,000. He invested only 25,000. What is the share? 160 is to 200. Okay, 3 is to 5. Okay, next 4 is to 5. Okay, here we are getting 3 different ratios because we are calculating with different time periods. Okay, we are dividing the year, but it is not the right one because we are calculating this ratio, okay, for the 1 year. Okay, so don't divide these two differently, don't do for the differently. Okay, then how you should do? P and Q. So 15,000 rupees for 4 months plus from the 5th month he is investing 8,000. Like this. Q also. Q is investing throughout the year same. So if you take it 25,000 into 4 plus 25,000 into 8, same value, 25,000 into 12. Okay. 15 4s are 60. Okay. Plus 28s are 160. Total 220 is to, because I am cancelling all the zeros, 25 12s are how much? 300. So 11 is to 15. So P and Q are sharing the annual profit in the 11 is to 15. Okay. If you are calculating for the first 4 months and the next 4 months, you can't add these ratios. You can calculate, but add the values. Don't simplify it. 60 plus 160, 220, 100 plus 200, 300. Again we will get same. But as a practice, we will try to simplify this. Okay. Try to simplify this. Okay. Then after we is trying to add this 3 plus 4, 7 is to 5 plus 10. Don't add this because these not our values. These are the ratios, parts. Don't add this. Okay. So they are sharing their profit in 11 is to 15. What is the total parts? 26 parts. What is the total profit? 26,000. If 26 parts equal to 26,000, what is the 11 parts? Simply we can say multiply factor 1,000, 1,000. 11,000 is a share of P and 15,000 is the share of Q. Okay. Don't. So if you are dividing with the year, first you are calculating for the first 4 months and calculating for the next 8 months. Okay. Add the ratios. Don't add the simplified forms. Okay. Because you can see the changes. 3 plus 4, 7. 5 plus 5, 10. But actually we are getting 11 is to 15. But if you do like this, you will get 7 is to 10. So, okay, dividing a year in terms of months, add here only. Okay. Make it separate. Here only. There is no chance to confusion. Okay. Go to the next question. A and B entered into a partnership with the 12,000, 18,000 respectively. After 3 months, A invested 4,000 more, B withdraws 2,000. Let us see. Here, try to solve this like this. Don't solve for different months. Okay. Solve here only. Okay. Adding or subtracting. Okay. 12,000 A invested. Okay. After 3 months, A invested. So, added. So, up to 3 months, his investment is 12,000 plus After 4th month onwards, he invested 4,000 more, means 16,000 into up to the end, means 9 months. Ratio we are finding. Next, B invested 18,000 for the 3 months. After 3 months, he withdrew 2,000. So from 4th month onwards, his investment is 16,000 only up to the end of the year. Now you can easily 12 3 ja, okay, 36,000 plus 1,44,000. Here 18 3 ja, 54,000 plus 16 9 ja, 1,44,000 rupees. Okay, what is the sum? 1,80,000, and here 1,44 plus 54, 1,98,000 rupees. So it is 180 is to 198. If you can simplify it, is simplify it. So 4, now 4. So try with 9. Okay, 9 20s, 9 22s are 22. Okay, 9 2s are 18 or 9 2s are 18. It is 22. 9 10 is to 11. The profit of 1,05,000 and 10 is to 11. What are the total parts? 21 parts. So 21 parts is equal to 1,05,000. Okay. Then what is 10 parts? So 21 becomes 105 into 5 into 5. So 5,000 rupees. 5,000 rupees. So it is 50,000 and 11 parts equal to 55,000 rupees. Okay. So when you are separating the year here only, then it within one step you can get the answer. Okay. So 12,000 he invested for 3 months, and from 4th month onwards he is investing 4,000 rupees extra. Means from 4th month onwards it is 16,000. Okay. Here he invested initially 18,000 rupees up to 3 months, and from the 5th month or 4th month onwards he withdrew 2,000. So 4th month onwards his investment is only 16,000 rupees. Like this we will solve the different time periods problems. Okay. Then in the partnership problem, always concentrate on investment and time only, and do if it is different time periods and with the different investments, adding or leaving, investing or removing, do it in a single step. Don't take it at different steps. Okay. So try to practice the questions which is available in the practice sessions, and try to attend the quiz. Okay. Thank you.